Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to fix my phone. So while I was coming, my phone fell from my pocket and then it hit the ground and the screen got bad. Yeah, the screen got bad. Now I'm going to fix my phone at Ring Road. I'm still in Benin, so I'm going to fix my phone at Ring. Along the road, I'm going to show you guys like Benin, like people here like rituals, like guys, when you're going on the road, you're going to see a pot, like a native pot with some herbal things on it. So let's go.
Another hits jam from WebLoaded.com.
She's eating what they call, what is it called? She's eating what they call ekusi ekpo. In Benin, is being made of corn, crayfish,
We have one like
a lot of onion. In Delta State, our own is called quokka, made of corn. Banga, it's also like this, but this Benin, it's something else.
this is the first time I'm actually trying it.
So,
And it's okay, it's actually not bad.
yeah,
Yeah, like it tastes like that coca.
you guys really need to come to Benin to test this ekusi ekpo.
Juanita Mons.